Hi all, in this video we shall see how to create a database from automated backup using UI in OCI Base Database. I am Sneha and let's get started. When you create a DB system from a backup, the availability domain can be the same as where the backup is hosted or across regions. The database version you specify must be equal or greater than that of the backed up database. The shape must be the same as the database from which the backup was taken. So if you specify a DB system shape, then the available storage size will default to the data size of the backup, rounded to the closest storage size option. However, you can specify a larger storage size. And if you are creating a new DB system from an object storage, you may choose any level 0 weekly backup or a level 1 incremental backup created after the most recent level 0 backup. Also, when creating a DB system from a backup, the new DB system and database will default to parameters which are recommended as well as best practices for Oracle Cloud. If the backup being used to create a DB system is in a security zone compartment, the DB system cannot be created in the compartment that is not in a security zone. You can refer to this documentation link for more information. Now let's see this in the environment. So I'm going down to the backups. So if you see here, there is an option create database. So you can use the add PDB over here and click create, or you can go to more options and use this option create database from backup. So you can create it from the last backup or specify a timestamp. So I am selecting create database from last backup and then you can click on create. I'm selecting all PDBs. So you can provide the DB system information over here. And then provide the database information. Create DB system. So this is now my SNHYDC is my new DB system that is being provisioned. So you can see here the work request create DB system from backup is in progress. So it's now successfully completed. So we can have a look at the DB system. Okay, so this is the DB system that we have cloned from the source. This was our source database from where we did the cloning. That's it. Thank you for watching.